Welcome back sa ating Step 3, Printing of our Test Paper and Verification. Paano nga ba natin ipiprint yung ating test paper at saka yung ating TOS? So babalik tayo sa assessment, term exam dashboard. Nandito yung ating mga exams na ginawa. We just click print and then i-click natin yung download TOS, and then to print our TOS, we will just open the file. We click the print button here. And then pagkatapos niyan, siselect natin yung ating settings at ang gagawin natin sa paper natin ay gagawin natin siyang landscape. So ang mangyayari, we will just click this print and then yung ating setup will be landscape, then print. For our examination, balik tayo sa portal. Kiklik natin ang download exam. Kapag na-download na natin yan, ipapasok na yan sa ating downloads folder. I-open natin yung exam, then piprint natin. Lalagay tayo ng long bond paper. Kiklik lang natin yung settings. Siselect natin yung ating long bond paper, which is actually 8.5 by 13. Pero so far, wala akong 8.5 by 13. So ito muna yung aking gagamitin, legal one. And then after nating maselect yan, yan yung mukha ng ating test paper, kiklik lang natin yung print. See you around mamaya para sa ating item analysis using our KCD portal.